Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get DoorDash promo codes that's going to get you not only free food, but also free credit straight into your DoorDash account. It takes a few minutes, so I'm going to be heading to my desk, recording a tutorial and show you guys how you can get the best DoorDash promo codes. Let's get into it. Yo, what is going on YouTube? And I hope you are having a fantastic start to this new year. Now you chose to watch this video because you're looking for DoorDash promo codes for 2024. If you've been searching, you're probably already aware that DoorDash promo codes are pretty difficult to find, especially ones that actually save you a meaningful amount of money. I've managed to find possibly the greatest DoorDash promo codes, and that's what I'm going to show you today in this video. Make sure you follow all of the instructions in this tutorial, and let's get you those DoorDash promo codes. So you have to go to this website on your mobile phone, so pick up your mobile, have an internet connection, and go to www.wavycoupons.com. This website is awesome. I found them a couple of months ago, and they've already saved me probably upwards of $1,000. So if you go to the search bar at the top of the screen, you can literally search for whatever you want. So DoorDash, and it should just pop straight up DoorDash free credit and coupon codes. Click on that page. Now you can see these coupons are limited, but there is a bunch of them, and there is a couple of different codes that you can actually get here, guys. There is a $100 DoorDash account credit promo code, and there is also a get your next 3 DoorDash food orders for free. So you just have to select which code you want to get, guys. In this case, I'm gonna go for the $100 free. So click on show coupon. And you can see we need to unlock the code. Obviously, these codes are quite desirable, what with it being worth $100. So you've got to unlock your exclusive and personal code. So to do that, you tap unlock code. How do you like the background as well, guys? I thought I'd go for the classic sort of 80s theme. Okay, so now you're going to see this code unlocker screen, which is completely normal. Basically, guys, we need to just follow the instructions on this page to get our DoorDash promo code. So it says here we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below and follow all of the instructions. So you can see on my screen I have a list of various different offers, all completely free, of course, and we need to follow the instructions that it states below each one. So you can see that one at the top says download, then complete level 8. So that's a free game where if you was to choose that one, you'd click on it and it would take you to the App Store, where you'd simply have to download the game and play it until level 8. Alternatively, you can even just choose some of these free surveys, such as this one here, where you just have to answer some questions and input your correct email address. So I'm going to go and complete 2 of these tasks, and then I'll come back and we can see if it gives me my DoorDash promo code. I'll see you in around 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I did as I said. I just went ahead and completed 2 of the tasks on this page. Made sure I fully followed all of the instructions, because that's very important. You need to follow the instructions, guys, if you want to unlock your code. So once you've fully completed any 2 tasks on this page, go ahead, press your tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly, you should see this DoorDash coupon codes tab down here. Click on that. And it has now revealed my DoorDash promo code exclusively from wavycoupons.com. So this code I'm going to be using in a short while, and it's going to give me $100 of completely free credit on my DoorDash account. So I just have to basically redeem this code within the app, and yeah, pretty easy. So go ahead to Wavy Coupons, guys, get your free DoorDash food and account credit. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, smash that like button if you did. Leave a comment below if you need any help. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.